Let's talk value for money, shall we? In today's world, every pound counts, and making smart financial decisions is more crucial than ever. In these times of economic uncertainty, it's more important than ever to get the most out of your hard-earned Egyptian pounds. Stretching your budget while still getting quality is the name of the game. And that's where the Kia Ceed truly excels. This car is designed to offer more than just transportation. It provides a complete driving experience. You see, the Ceed isn't just a car, it's an investment. An investment in your daily comfort, your family's safety, and your peace of mind. It's an investment in reliability, practicality, and dare I say, a touch of luxury. The interior is designed with high-quality materials that make every drive enjoyable. Kia has packed this car with an impressive array of standard features that would make even the most discerning car buyer nod in approval. From the dashboard to the seats, everything is crafted to perfection. We're talking about things like a user-friendly infotainment system, which keeps you connected and entertained on the go, a reversing camera to help you navigate those tight Cairo parking spots with ease, and a suite of advanced safety features that'll give you peace of mind on the road. These features are designed to protect you and your loved ones. And the best part? You get all of this at a price that won't break the bank. It's a deal that's hard to resist. The Kia Ceed proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality or features to stay within budget. It's a car that meets all your needs without compromising on anything. It's a car that offers exceptional value for money, making it an irresistible proposition for savvy car buyers in Cairo. So why settle for less when you can have it all with the Kia Ceed?